Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake at home in oven easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9-inch pan while you gather ingredients. Mix flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, and melted butter until smooth. Pour batter into pan and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool on a rack before frosting or serving, and slice with a serrated knife for neat pieces. Measure ingredients precisely for predictable results and a tender crumb every time. Sift flour and baking powder together to avoid lumps and ensure even rise. Beat eggs and sugar briefly to incorporate air, then mix in milk and melted butter until just combined. Overmixing creates toughness, so stop when streaks disappear. Fold any additions gently. This approach keeps the cake light and moist and simplifies cleanup. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to freshen up your ride after grocery runs, and it pairs oddly well with cake delivery trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and don't forget to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use practical tricks to avoid common baking pitfalls and get consistent results. Rotate the pan halfway through baking if your oven has hot spots, and avoid opening the door often to prevent collapse. If the top browns too quickly, loosely tent with foil. Let the cake cool in the pan briefly, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling. These small habits make homemade cakes look and taste like they came from a bakery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.